Hello friends, we are here with a new topic today, adjectives. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us about more. It tells us more about a noun, that is a person, place, thing or an animal. Let's understand with an example. The happy girl is running. I have a red ball. You find where are the adjectives using in these sentences? The adjectives are those which describe the noun, which describe the word, say something about that word, some special thing. Okay. Types of adjectives. We have descriptive adjectives that describes the qualities. What does a noun do? What a noun is like, its size, color, shape, quality, feeling, etc. Like tall, small, happy, sad, sweet, round can be the examples of describing the qualities. The sentence can be, the happy dog wagged its tail. Now we have color adjectives. What are color adjectives? That tells the color of a noun, red, green, blue, yellow, pink. Like she wore a blue dress. She wore a blue dress. So blue is here, color adjective. Now we have size adjectives. Tells the size of a noun, small, huge, tiny, tall, short. Like the elephant walked slowly. We have color adjectives already done. Next we have number adjectives. Tells us how many or the order. 1, 2, 3, first, second, few or many. I have 3 books on my desk. That are number adjectives. We have shape adjectives that tells us the shape of a noun. Round, square, oval, rectangular, triangle, like the table is round. We have feeling or emotion adjectives that tells us how someone feels or the mood. Happy, sad, angry, excited, tired. The excited children ran to the playground. We have taste or smell adjectives also that tells how something tastes or smells. Sweet, sour, bitter, spicy. The cake smells sweet. We have possessive adjectives also that shows the ownership or possession. My, your, his, her, their, our. This is my pencil. It's yours bag. Quantity adjectives that tells us how much or how many. Not exact similar to the number. Some, many, few, several, all. There are many flowers in the garden. We have demonstrative adjectives also that points out which noun is meant. This, that, these, those. This book is mine. So next we have a practice session. Underline all adjectives. You need to underline what adjectives you are finding in the sentence. The small brown fluffy dog ran across the green field. So see what are the adjectives coming in these sentences. She wore a beautiful red silk dress to the party. Next, the angry, tired cat hissed at the noisy children. Our bright, colorful, spacious classroom has many windows. So you need to underline what are the adjectives using in these sentences. Next, you can practice with some correct form of adjectives. Use the adjective in brackets and you can change it if you needed it. This is dash building in our city. She is dash happy than her sister today. I bought a dash notebook and a dash pen. He has the dash bicycle in the neighborhood. The dash candies on the plate. Answers you also can check at the next slide. Next we have to do this exercise. Rewrite with 2 adjectives. At least we need to write 2 adjectives of each sentence. The dog is barking. The small brown dog is barking. So we are using 2 adjectives here in these sentences. She wore a dress. She wore a beautiful red dress. The balloon floated away. The big colorful balloon floated away. Next we have the cat is sleeping. The lazy fluffy cat is sleeping. I ate a cake. I ate a sweet chocolate cake. So these type of adjectives you can use. We need to find out the wrong adjectives. Underline the adjective that does not fit the sentence. The juicy, ripe, sleepy watermelon is on the table. Is the watermelon can be sleepy? No, right? So it's an this adjective doesn't fit this sentence. You need to underline those adjectives. The cold, sweet, rectangular ice cream melted quickly. Later, you check the answers at the next slide. The shiny, rusty, delicious metal spoon fell down. The fast, slow, loud cheetah won the race. The purple, round, heavy feather floated in the air. Also, you need to check the answers at the back. Okay? So, see you again in the next session.